What's up everyone and welcome to the fourth Java Fundamentals tutorial. This isn't really a Java tutorial, it's more of an Eclipse tutorial, and this should be a pretty quick video. Basically, we're going to be changing the background theme and the font size for the Eclipse IDE. So if you've looked at some of the other videos where they'll have like the darkish or midnight color background, that's what we're going to be using for the Eclipse background because the default color is a little hard on the eyes, at least for me. So let's get to it. So here we have our hello world, or rather hello universe, that we created in the previous video. So here we want to have, what we want to do is change the background theme and increase the font size just so that the font size is easier to see. So basically what we're going to do is in Eclipse, in the menu, we click on this window menu, and then after we click on preferences, and in the preferences window, we click on the general dropdown, and then we click on appearance dropdown, or rather we click on appearance. And so under this theme, we have these choices. So we have classic, dark, light, and system. So the theme that we want is dark, and then we can click apply and close. And here we have our dark color theme. All right, so that's good and all. But ideally we want to make the font size larger as well, as we mentioned before. So to change the font, we're going to go back to the window, and then we click on preferences, and under preferences, under the general tab rather, and then we click on appearance, and under appearance we click on the colors and fonts, and then under colors and fonts we want the basic. So here we're going to be scrolling until we get to text font, and then we click the edit button. And here there's different types of fonts that you can change it to. We can leave these basically the same, or it's up to you if you want to change it. But size 10 is a little small, so we can see what size 12 looks like. So let's click OK, apply and close. A little better. Let's see what 14 looks like. All right, so let's go back to text font again, click edit, see size 14, apply and close. Yeah, I think that's better. Yep, I think this is good. Let's see if we can make this bold as well. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. Again, you can experiment this with however you like. If this doesn't matter to you, that's perfectly fine. All right, yeah, that was a pretty quick video, as I mentioned before. So yeah, leave a comment, and all right, I'll see you next time.